My name is Roberta Sen, and I am a ballet dancer. The name of my class is Ballet Body Fitness. I created this class many years ago when I thought about why ballet dancers have the most beautiful bodies in the world. I realized that the bar work that dancers do gives them the beautiful bodies with long, toned muscles, no bulk. Lengthening the spine, standing up, creating elegant posture, all comes from the work we do at the bar. So my class is comprised of yoga and ballet stretches, followed by the real, authentic ballet barre that dancers do every day in class and to warm up before a performance.